Good afternoon, everybody. Today I'm going to be making a vortex little like a shark fin little generator, vortex generator, or wind splitter. I don't know what you call it, but I'm going to add a little bit of little shark fins all over my Fiat Abarth. So today what I'm going to do is use an epoxy putty stick. I got it from Harbor Freight and it's only about $4, and this is what is left. So it's just my leftovers. So what I'm gonna do is shape them like a like a little vortex generator, just like what you see on the Evo 8, 9s and some of the 10s. They have those little shark little fins on the back of their roof. But I'm not gonna do it over. I'm just gonna do 4 pieces. 2 small one in front of my mirror, and I'm gonna place it right over here. One over here, just like a little one. Now, once again, guys, this is not a wind tunnel proof, but it's just to reduce the noise, the wind buffer noise right over here. When the air passes through, it just, I don't know, it kind of cuts it. I was gonna put one here on my visor, but we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna use the putty because I can shape it and wet sand it. So let's get it started. So also I'm gonna put right over here. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna put one over here and then one over here. So just 2, not to over exaggerate it. So I'm gonna shape it, and let's see how it looks. Just for fun, I'm not gonna do anything. You know, this is not a wind tunnel proved that it does work, but I just want to have that little bump, like of like, you know, like just to break that line. And it has that little fins on it, just like this middle antenna over here. So let's get it started. So what I'm gonna do is since I need my 2 hands, I'm gonna start shaping this putty to a shark fin. But first you gotta squeeze them. I already have made some. You gotta squeeze it, twist it. You can feel the heat coming from here. You have about 5 minutes to work on it, to shape it. So I'm gonna show you examples that I have done already. This is the dry product already, where I shaved it. I use my shaping tools. I use different kinds of, that I can, shape it. It looks like a sandpaper, but and then after that, when it dries up, this is how it looks like. So I made 2 of them. Okay, actually, I made total of 4. So when I shaped it, that's the bottom flat. That's where the double-sided tape was gonna be. So it's gonna, the shape is close enough. It's not done yet, but it's getting there. It's hard to make one exactly alike, so they're gonna be a little bit off, but who cares? It's gonna be far apart from one another. And after, when it's dry, I'm gonna sand it, wet sand it. That way it's smoother. And then after that, I'm gonna paint it. So I'm gonna do this more sanding and painting. More sanding and shaping. So guys, this is the finished product. I made 2 at the top and 2 on the mirror side, and then I scratched it with this at the finished product and Scotch-Brite. Now I'm gonna paint it. So I'm gonna use a flat black paint. That way it blends well on my. It's not too noticeable, These putties are not very heavy, so they're pretty light. It's not as heavy. You can probably buy stuff on eBay to make this thing, but I want to make my own shape and my own size. So I could have gone crazier and wrapped it with my real carbon fiber. I actually have a real carbon fiber inlay that I could have put it on, but it's more work for me. But we'll see how it goes. This is a test run, so hopefully they look good. If they do, then I'm gonna wrap it with my real carbon fiber. I have a real carbon fiber material. All right, I'm gonna wait until let it dry. I'm gonna get a double-sided tape and put it on the bottom of each, little shark fin. So I have one of these heavy-duty tape, so I just press it down and cut around it. So that's it. And then this is fairly small, you can see. It's not too big. So it's very subtle, it's not too much. Once again, this is not a wind tunnel proof, but I just want to have that notch on it, that little. As you can see, guys, here it is, the finished product. I could have done more, but I just wanted a subtle little nubs on the top. Just like that. I don't know if it makes any difference, but at least I have two little horns in there that accompanied by my antenna. Just to kind of match it. I didn't measure anything, I just eyeballed everything, shaved everything correctly, so. Alright, well, that's about it. Hopefully, you know, adds a little contrast to my car. I know it's not wind tunnel tested, you know, it's just something for me that I would want to do, so. And it's handmade by me. And here's the other one that I put on. Alright guys, please, hopefully you enjoyed, and this is what you can do for your car. Thanks for watching, God bless. Please sub if you can.